No, come on.
Heading to the beacon. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Alright, hey folks, we are back with fresh content on this channel. So today is Monday, April 8th, and I got a promotion last night in my email at my email address where Waymo is apparently giving 20% off all daytime weekday rides. So I thought, well, this is a pretty good deal. Like, let's go out and collect some footage. So right now we're heading toward Union Square in Union Square Apple Store is the destination I picked, with one intermediate stop at a kind of like a driveway loop sort of thing in front of an apartment building that Waymo seems to like using for kind of doing a U-turn on that street without doing a U-turn. So we're a little bit hesitant to get into the roundabout, which is probably fine. I also have a new kind of recording setup for the screen camera that should provide a little bit higher resolution and hopefully more stability, but we'll see about that after the edit comes out. It's a green for us. I wonder why we're stopping. Huh. Yeah, there's one car behind. Oh, that is really strange. Okay, so we're like halfway, I mean, we're definitely all the way in the crosswalk, like almost the entire car in the crosswalk in front of the 4th and King Caltrain station. Oh, that is bizarre. Okay. Briefly said waiting for intersection to clear, which I guess is technically true. so it's now, it's still green and we're still not going. I don't see anything, right? Like there's nothing on the visualization here that would suggest, okay, it just flashed waiting for intersection to clear. At least if it's yielding to something like some false positive, it's not showing up on the viz, and now cars are kind of going around, using the oncoming lane to pass us, which, you know, tough but fair. Yeah, these are all. Oh, that is so bizarre. Okay, I think I'm gonna wait one more light cycle, and then, I mean, I feel like the car should call, you know, remote assistance or support for me. It's clearly stuck. But, you know, if it doesn't do that, I'm gonna wait one more light cycle, and then I'm gonna hit the button myself. Okay, turning on hazard lights. Okay, so we know we're stuck. Okay, now it's, oh, green. Okay, now, oh, we're cooking. All right. Okay.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys, or bag.
Well, that was a interesting experience. I wonder what happened. Getting into this loop here, and then I'm gonna remove the destination.
Trip updated.
Now, when I actually hailed a car, it was being hailed from this little loop. And then I suddenly got assigned a different car, so I thought, well, maybe there's something in this loop that causes it to get stuck. And I think we found it. The black Honda's backing up like a few inches for us, but oh boy, this is what an exciting start. Looks like the black Honda is picking up a passenger, so yeah, they're gonna get moving, and then we should be. Yeah, no, the black Honda is working to get me moving. We definitely have enough room now. Like, what is, right? Like, it's not like the road boundary is drawn funny or something. All right. No, we're not back on our way. Oh man. Okay, all right. Okay. Now we got the flashing yellow, which is, the screen says it's a green light, which is fair because this intersection, it becomes a flashing yellow when the cross traffic has a red light, so it is, I think, actually proper to treat it as a green light. Okay, yeah, now we're back on our way. Thank you. No thanks to the computer. Well, this is maybe... Now I might have to change my plan because we spent 10 minutes just to go like a few blocks. So now, otherwise it's going to be a very long video if I keep all of my destinations. So maybe I'll end it in Union Square, and then the next segment can be a new video or something like that. We just did a Pittsburgh left on that, on the oncoming traffic, because they were snoozing, so they lost. Unloading this van on the left here. Traffic in the right lane. Okay, easy. A bit more timid than I'd like, but still a good, smooth lane change. I think the person behind was either waiting for us to go, or basically like they swapped lanes with us, that BMW. So were either waiting for us to go ahead of them, or they were going to overtake us. And I think they were waiting for us, but didn't give the Waymo as much room as it wanted in the beginning. pretty tight following distance. Now the real question is, can we actually get dropped off in Union Square, or is it going to keep rejecting the pullover spot and then trying to find another one? Because the last time I tried to do this, which unfortunately I didn't get on video, it just kept going in circles as it would get to one potential drop-off point, see that there's maybe already cars there, and then go to the next one and the next one, and we just got stuck in a loop. And the way that you get out of that is you press the end right button, which I guess triggers a pullover, but maybe like with more priority or urgency. And then the car stopped within like 15-20 meters of when I pressed the button, but it also basically ended my ride. So even if I had more stops after that, it would be those stops would be removed. It would just end my ride and charge me for how much I actually used. So it's not. Neither option is, I guess, super desirable, but I guess it's still early days for this type of service. Trying to get into the left turn lane here, but there's a bunch of cars parked.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys, or bag.
Okay. Oh, that person is yielding. I thought they didn't have the signal on. I thought they might be double parked. Alright, let's see if we get this pullover. Oh, pretty good, pretty good. That's,
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Let's see how far we are from the curb here. Decently. That's maybe at least 2 feet, but still way better than it did in the past. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.